Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro for Metro by T-Mobile. So Metro now has the REVVL 6 Pro available now for $39.99 if you guys put your number of the Metro, or it's $219 full retail price if you're a current customer at Metro. So it's available now in dark shadow there. You guys can see it's like a dark gray color there, very nice looking phone. Available in 128 gigabytes of storage. So this phone's been out since August 4th, I believe, because that's when the T-Mobile version came out, was August 4th. So I think it's been out ever since then. So yeah. So you guys have your front and back there. Front has a teardrop notch right here, power button, RAM keys on the right side of the phone there. On the back of the phone, you guys can see y'all guys have a quad camera set up along with your camera flash, T-Mobile logo and whatnot. The left side has nothing. It has your micro SD and SIM card slot at the very bottom on the left, like somewhere around here. Here's a better look at the back of the phone. You guys have 4 cameras on the back along with your camera flash, T-Mobile logo and whatnot. The camera design kind of reminds me of like a Motorola phone, like the Motorola 1 5G Ace and stuff like that, kind of in terms of like camera design and stuff. And yeah, the right side power button, bang keys. Alright, so it's $39.99 if you need a new number at Metro. But it's free if you guys put your number of the Metro. It's free, so not bad for a free phone. Like I said, if you're an existing customer, it's $219. So yeah, you do have a couple options there. Features on the REVVL 6 Pro include a 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth, and a 2 megapixel macro camera in the back along with camera flash, of course. 16 megapixel front facing camera, 33 hours of talk time, 27 days of standby time. Screen size 6.82 inches, HD plus, 720 by 1640 pixel resolution. Other features include 5G, of course. That's the main selling point of this phone, that has 5G. So if you guys want 5G on the cheap, the REVVL 6 Pro is worth taking a look at here. You guys have a 5,000 mAh battery plus wireless charging, which is very nice to have. Quad camera system, MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, and you have NFC for mobile payments and stuff like that. So you can use Google Pay and stuff like that. Google Wallet, pretty much the same time, to make mobile payments and stuff like that. So it says here the T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro 5G is an unbeatable combo of performance and features, featuring a massive display, quad camera system, and a powerful battery with wireless charging. This device exceeds expectations. Alright, so pretty cool. So specs on the REVVL 6 Pro include 5,000 mAh battery, USB-C for charging, headphone jack, which is very nice to have because a lot of phones now are not coming with the headphone jack. Your connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN and AC, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC. Interesting enough, the REVVL 6 has Bluetooth 5.2. This one has Bluetooth 5.1. I don't know if that's a typo or not. I'm not really sure about that. It's kind of interesting to point that out. The processor is a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, Android 12, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 2 terabytes of micro SD expansion, wireless network technologies. You do get 4G and of course 5G, of course. Support email platforms, internet compatibility, wireless emergency alert, cable yes, mobile hotspot yes. Weight of the REVVL 6 Pro 7.54 ounces. Your dimensions are 6.84 inches height, 3.6 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. what comes in the box is your REVVL 6 Pro smartphone, USB-C cable, quick start guide, product safety information, terms and conditions, and your SIM ejection pin. I don't think it comes with a charging brick in the box. You guys want to get a charging brick for the phone. I don't think it comes with one because it's not listed here on the website here. So I don't think it comes with a charging brick, but don't be surprised if it don't come with one. You guys might need a Type-C charging brick, I think. 'Cause I think it's Type-C to Type-C. I think I could be wrong about that. So just be prepared to buy a charging brick for the phone if it does not come with one. So yeah, there you guys have it. Metro now has the REVVL 6 Pro available for $39.99. If you guys need a new number, free if you guys are porting in, or $219 for retail price for the REVVL 6 Pro. It's definitely worth every penny. Very nice looking phone, pretty good specs for what it is. So if you guys want a 5G phone on the cheap, the REVVL 6 Pro is the phone for you to check out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.